Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the Wells Fargo app. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to get started with mobile banking. First, you need to download the Wells Fargo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Create Account or Enroll Now button. You will be prompted to enter your Wells Fargo account information, including your account number, social security number, and date of birth. Next, you will be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and secure username and password, and make sure to write them down and store them in a safe place. You will also be prompted to set up security questions and answers, which will help to verify your identity if you forget your username or password. After you have created your online banking account, you will be asked to set up your mobile banking preferences. This includes setting up account alerts, such as low balance alerts and transaction alerts, and customizing your account dashboard. You can also set up mobile deposit, which allows you to deposit checks remotely using your mobile device. To set up mobile deposit, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check using your mobile device. The app will then guide you through the deposit process, and the funds will be deposited into your account. You can also use the app to transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, and view your account statements. In addition to these features, the Wells Fargo app also offers a range of security features to help protect your account information. This includes two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your mobile device or email in addition to your username and password. You can also set up account monitoring, which will alert you to any suspicious activity on your account. In conclusion, setting up the Wells Fargo app is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start using mobile banking to manage your accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure, and take advantage of the security features offered by the app to help protect your account. With the Wells Fargo app, you can enjoy convenient and secure mobile banking anywhere, anytime.